So construction of pentagonal prism with appears to be here. So how to construct the same thing using solid software I am going to demonstrate here. Okay, first I am going to draw an XY line and I am going to mention XY VPHP. The thickness of XY line I will consider here 0.25 mm thickness. Okay, and font size 5. You can select XY VPHP. Okay, now we have to construct a pentagon of dimension 25. Give the dimension 25 here and write the notation for it. You can write A, B, C, D, E. Okay, top face and bottom face. Top face A, bottom face A1 within bracket, because from the top view it's not visible. Okay, A, B, C, D is the top face notation. A1, B1, C1, D1, E1 it is the bottom face notations, and these bottom face notations are not visible from the top view. Okay, and the center of the axis are O and O1 and O1 within bracket. Now we will be drawing 3 perpendicular bisector here to find out the center of the axis. So draw from the corner point to the opposite edge middle point. Okay, at least you can draw 2 to 3 lines to find out the center. Here in the prism the inside lines should be thin lines. Okay, thin lines you should draw. So draw the projection line. Okay, I think here one of the line I have not drawn properly. It's not drawn exactly at the midpoint of the center point. Okay, this line I have not drawn properly, so I'm drawing from this corner point to the opposite edge middle point here. Okay, now draw the projection lines here from that axis center point. The axis length given 60 mm. So first I will be drawing an axis line for 60 mm, 60, thickness 0.50 mm. Okay, now another 3 vertical edges I am going to draw for the same length 60. Here also the same way I will do it. So it is the front view of this, it is an rectangle. Okay, mention the dimension. So the top face notations we can write B dash visible, A dash not visible from the front view, C dash visible and E dash not visible. Okay, D dash visible and O dash also not visible in this top face. Now the bottom face notation, B1 dash visible, A1 dash not visible and O1 dash also not visible here, C1 dash visible, E1 dash not visible in this and D1 dash visible. Okay, now selecting the front view, so we have to incline it at an angle of 40 degree to HP plane with the axis. So select the whole thing, go to move command, create a copy, slide along the XY line. Okay, now we have to incline it using a rotate command. So select the base corner points here, first corner point, second corner point, tilt it and give the angle 50. Okay, we require 40, right? 90 minus 40 means it is 50 degree we have to give. Now project the axis. So the angle is 40 degree. Okay, so now we have to project it downward to complete the second position top view here. The same way I am going to project from the top face. So horizontally also we have to project it. Now we can give the notations here. So bottom face notations I am writing first. Okay, you can see here I have done a mistake. The B1 and B point, I have to take it little bit inside of it. Okay, that is a mistake there. So I'm going to change it. You can see that. Yes. So I'm deleting it, and again I'm going to construct. You can see. So that B1 and B, I have to take it little inside. It is ending there. Yes. From there, from B1 to C1, you can zoom in. Then connect. So here the concept for drawing the second position top view is draw the outer boundary line first, outer boundary continuous line here. So I can taking this B and B1 inside of it. From E to E1 and E1 to E1. So this is what the outer boundary continuous line. Now we have to construct the visible faces. Top face, it is visible from the top view, that is A, B, C, D, E, it is visible from the top face, and that rectangular face, you can see A1 and B1, it is visible from the top face, and bottom face not visible. A part of it already written with the continuous line. The remaining part I am constructing with the dashed line here. Okay, now the edge, you can see DD1 not visible from the top view. I am writing with the dashed line here. Now there is an axis I am going to construct from O1 to O. Okay, the axis is done. Now I have to draw 45 degree angle line here. So here I will be giving an angle of minus 135 degree. Give minus 135 because we are drawing an angle line below the XY line. So take a minus 135 degree angle and click. So you will get the angle 45 degree. Now you select this whole thing and select move command and select the axis here, because you have to make sure it should be resting on that axis point so that it is appears to be type of problem. So again rotate, select the axis point O and O1 and place it on the angle line. Now you just take it little downward here. So using move command I am going to take it little lower here. Okay, so the angles remain same here, 45 degree. Now by projecting the lines upward, I can construct the final position here. So you can see here I am going to show the easiest method. So take the zoom by area, select only the top faces from the front view, top face from the top view. Okay, you can see from A and A it is ending up here. Just move it further and end it. So this is where A dash you get. Similarly B and B dash ending at here. Okay, draw the straight line. Okay, similarly from C and C dash you have this line, and from D and D dash this is the line, from E and E dash, so this is the line we got, and finally we have O and O dash. Okay, O and O dash, and it is ending up here. Just zoom in to make sure your line has to be straight. Okay, so that vertical bar has to be appear to make sure that that is straight or not. Now I am writing the notations here. So that is my A dash, okay, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, and that is O dash. So now same way we are going to project the bottom faces. So for that I will be using zoom area, selecting the bottom faces so that I can able to see it more clearly. You can see that. Okay, now select A1, and here also A1. This is where it is ending up, A1 dash. Similarly we have B1, and this is B1 dash, and C1 it is, you have to take it little upward here. So that is there we have the D1 point. So I will take little upward from there. Yes, so that is your C1 point. So take a straight line to make sure, just touch it and bring it back, you will get the dashed line here. Okay, then we have D1 dash, project it, and then E1 dash we have, yeah, we're getting here. Then finally we have O1 and O1 dash. So now you can write down the notation for this. A1 dash, B1 dash, this is E1 dash, this is E1 dash, we have D1 dash, and this is O1 dash. Okay, now first I will be constructing a dashed line. So dashed line, that is the nearest point x1 line is E to D and E to A, that is your dashed line, then E to E1 dash. So we are following the same concept how we do it in the sketchbook. Same procedure we have to follow. First we have to construct the dashed line. So it is the easiest method by which we can able to construct. Okay, then finally from E dash to E1 dash. Now the top face, it is a continuous line. Now the bottom face is a pentagon. Now the vertical edges connecting A dash and E dash and A1 dash. Okay, B dash and B1 dash, C dash and C1 dash, D dash and D1 dash, and then there is an axis. We'll show the axis here from O1 dash to O dash. Okay, this completes the problem. You can subscribe for the channel and hit on the like and bell icon so that you can get the latest notifications about this channel, and share it to the maximum students.